Y'all want to know something you can do with fruit sometimes? Whether it's blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, anything. Okay, let me show you something you can do. Grab you some cream cheese, little splash of milk, little splash of vanilla. Add any kind of fruit in here that you want to. Blend it up. You've got a cream cheese spread on hand for bagels, toast. Let's see, toppings for fried pies. Some kind of like, not cinnamon rolls, but like substituting the cinnamon and brown sugar for like, you can have this as the inside frosting or filling. But you can also use this as the top frosting to your fruit rolls, okay, if you want to call them that, fruit rolls. Oh, so many things, y'all. But this is what I'm going to do with mine because I'm making a whole batch at one time. Grab you a quart size wide mouth jar, stuff you a Ziploc bag down inside it, bring a little out and bring it over. Start filling your Ziploc bag just like this, or if it's pourable, depending on how thick or thin you want your spread to be, okay? When you get the desired amount that you want in each bag, take it out of the jar, zip it up, store this in the refrigerator or the freezer because these are going to go pre-prepared, okay, and put back into the freezer to freeze. But here's the good part. When you get ready to use these, I'm probably going to get about 4 or 5 pre-prepped bags of this frosting or spread or dip, whatever I'm going to use it for. The good thing is when I take this back out of the freezer to get ready to use it, you can cut a little hole in the corner of your Ziploc bag. And if you're going to use this as a frosting or a drizzle, something like that, you can pipe it on to whatever you're going to use it on, okay? Like my cinnamon rolls or fruit rolls, okay? Or something that I need to like pipe or drizzle on top of. Just cut a little hole in the corner of your Ziploc bag and use it like a piping bag. Now, if you're going to use this as a spread, just grab it out, let it defrost, and then by all means, just take a butter knife and slather it on whatever you're going to be eating. Hope this helps you.